In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DoorDash email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, whether you're on the mobile app or the website. Start by opening the DoorDash app on your phone or go to the DoorDash website in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, enter your login details and continue. It's a good idea to have access to the new email account you plan to use, since you'll need to verify it shortly. Once you're in, head to the account area. On mobile, tap the account icon in the top right corner of the screen. On the website, look for your profile or account icon at the top right as well, then open your account menu. Next, open Manage Account. On the app, you'll see a Manage Account option. Tap that. On the website, click into the Account Settings or Manage Account section. This is where you can control your profile details. Now locate the email field. If you don't see it right away, tap Personal Info or Profile within your account settings. That's where DoorDash keeps your basic information, including your email address. Choose to edit your email. Enter your new email address carefully, then confirm it by typing it again if you're prompted to do so. Double check for typos. A single character off can prevent you from receiving the verification link. Make sure this is an email you can access immediately. DoorDash will ask you to verify the new email. Open the inbox for the new address and look for a message from DoorDash. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. When the message arrives, click the verification link inside. This confirms that you own the new email and want it associated with your account. Return to the app or website and save your changes. Look for a Save, Update, or Confirm button in your account settings. After saving, you should see your updated email reflected in the Personal Info or Profile section. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a quick refresh or navigate back into Manage Account to confirm the update. That's it. Your DoorDash email has been successfully changed. Remember to keep your email secure and avoid sharing your login details. If you're using multiple devices, the new email will apply everywhere once saved and verified. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.